love reading books, but some of them are just too long. Well, don't worry, because in this video, Captain Starlight is here to do all the reading for you. I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to Captain Starlight Reads Really Long Books. Today's book is this cookbook. It looks like a picture book, so I can't wait to read a really fun story. Probably about a unicorn who loves to cook books into a delicious book stew. Yum. I wonder how that works and how it tastes. There's only one way to find out. Let's get reading. But while I do that, why don't you like and subscribe for more fun with Captain Starlight? Here we go. That was a really long book. Well, there were lots of pictures, but no unicorn, and actually no characters at all. There were lots and lots of pictures of lots of different earth food that I'd never seen before. But who was making all the food, and why wasn't anybody eating it? It made me very hungry. The cookbook was very bossy, and it was always telling me what to do, like beat the eggs. But beat them at what? A rolling race? I can't roll better than an egg. Or can I? Whee! If you want to read a cookbook, my top tip is don't read one on an empty stomach because you'll get so hungry. I think I'm going to have to go now and have a delicious tuna milkshake. But don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos from Fun with Captain Starlight. I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye!